How to log in chess account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up a web browser. You can open any web browser. I have opened Google Chrome. Now you want to search for chess.com. Here you can see this is the website of chess.com. You can play online or play computer. On the left hand side, you have different options over here. You want to click on log in. If you do not have an account, click on sign up to create a new account. Since we already have an account, simply click on log in option. Once you do, you can log in using your username or email, then simply enter your password. You can also log in with your Apple account if you have logged in with this account, or you can sign with your Google account or even Facebook. I'm going to log in using my email ID. So over here, you simply have to enter your email address, then enter your password. Be careful while entering your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password to reset your password. If you want to stay logged in, check this box that says Remember Me. Now simply click on this green button that says Log In to log in into your chess account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.